doesn't show how it works.
How it works?
Look at that, Angel. Look.
What is that?
Parachuters. One's coming down hard.
Daddy, I can touch it. Maybe not. Daddy, it's gonna.
All right, go get him.
Yeah, you get him.
Did it come down in the trees?
No, Angel's going to get him. The other one's in the middle of the field, though.
She's not going to get the other one, is she?
No. Not while you're flying.
You want me to go get the other one?
Not yet, Angel. Wait. Wait till he's done flying, and then you can run out there and get it.
That's one. Daddy, there's an animal. They look purple. Woohoo!
I'm going to land and reload him.
Make sure you subscribe for more RC action to come your way.